Now, the challenges in data-driven decision making. After going through the lectures related to capability building for business analytics or data analytics, we'll now be seeing what are the challenges in the data-driven decision making. We have seen the journey from gut feeling or intuition-based decision making to data-driven decision making, right? Have you ever made a decision based on Google reviews only to regret it later? Even when we use data, decisions can still go wrong. Companies face similar challenges at a larger scale. Even after using the data and best of the algorithms, you will find that the decisions have gone wrong, right? So the answer to the decision going wrong in spite of using the data and analytics algorithm, the reasons is data quality and availability issues. Garbage in, garbage out. Poor data quality will lead to poor decisions, right? Common issues for leading to poor data quality are missing values. You have the data in Excel table or in a text file, or you have collected it in some format. You some values are missing. There are duplicate records. The format is wrong. The system is fragmented. For example, Indian banks with multiple databases. There are few banks which use different databases, multiple databases in one bank, and therefore some of the entries which we make for certain customer is not done for same customer in another database, right? So there is a inconsistency in the customer records. Good banks do not have this kind of problem, but there are some banks which has the inconsistency issue. Managerial takeaway in this situation: data governance is critical. You need to make sure that that you need to make sure that the data is of good quality. There are no missing values, no duplicates, right? Wrong formats. Proper formats are used, and you should avoid using multiple databases, right? Then, managers often trust intuition or hierarchy more than data. There is organizational resistance to using analytics. Managers therefore trust intuition or hierarchy more than the data, right? Hierarchy means some superior boss telling to do something than what is indicated by data analytics, right? Then employees may see analytics as the threat, right? There is a fear for automation. Analytics may reveal something which is going against probably some of the employees or some of the customers, right? Example: a retail firm bought a dashboard, and employees may have to work more. Employees think that they will have to work more if they start using, or the company imposes to use analytics. Okay, a retail firm bought dashboard, but the store manager ignored them, right? The lesson is change management is important as a tool, right? In the above example, we have seen that the retail firm bought the dashboard. They got the technology for doing the analytics, but some persons in the organization are not using them. Rather, they are ignoring them. Okay, even if they, and we find this thing happening in many organizations, right? So the culture is to be built in the organization, and everyone has to do some kind of analytics which is relevant to their department, their functions. For this, change management is to be practiced as an important tool, right? Over reliance is another challenge. Over reliance on the models. Analytics gives probabilities, not certainties, right? The blind faith on model is very risky. In 2008, global financial crisis was there, that was due to over trust in risk models. The lesson is to combine data and managerial judgment. Okay, though your models may not be capturing some of the things which intuition captures, experience captures. So, managerial judgment on the top of the complex or simple models of analysis of the data is required to take better decisions. So, combine data plus managerial judgment, which comes because of experience over a period of time. Then the next challenge is ethics and privacy concern, ethical and privacy concern. There is data bias um, due to modeling process. Models may discriminate gender, caste, region, because we have collected the data, and in many of the analytics we use gender information, caste information, region information to draw out some inferences, and that may bring in bias in our decisions. Privacy, misuse of customer data. For example, there was a case of Cambridge Analytica misused of Facebook data for political campaigns. Right? In India also, other PAN and other such card information is used, and data privacy is under debate. Okay, lesson: responsible analytics is essential. Okay, the ethical concerns should be properly taken care in your analytics. Okay, data bias, privacy, etc. should be taken care, right? Challenges exist at technical, that is data level, organizational means culture, and ethical means privacy levels. Managers must balance data driven insights with the ethics and intuition, right? Data make us smarter, but the wisdom still matters, which computer algorithms will not be giving you wisdom. Wisdom will be given to you by yourself, by human being. Wisdom still is the term which is used in context of human, right? Now going to activities, um, debate. The motion to be discussed is: in the age of analytics, intuition is obsolete. Divide the class pro versus con, and each side will be getting 2 3 minutes to argue, and finally you have to settle the discussion. Both intuition and data are necessary. You can do this yourself, right? Another activity is a mini case discussion. An Indian commerce company rejects 40% of the loan applications because of biased data in credit scoring. So, as I'm asking you, what should the company do to fix this problem? All you need to discuss in group and suggest fairness and ethical guidelines. Okay, this probably I'm leaving to you to work on, think on yourself. Okay, without taking any media support, you do it yourself. Maybe you take the support of help of your friend, right? So we will then be going to the lecture 7. For lecture 6, I will be stopping here, right? Let me